Top 5 products on Amazon 2020. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Drone. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. Mavic Mini supports 12-megapixel aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer FlyCams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Fly app requires iOS 15.0, Android 6.0 or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, XR, X8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S8, S7 Edge, Huawei, P30 Pro, P30, P20, P10, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 10, Nova 5, Nova 4, Nova 3e, Nova 2, Honor 8X10, 9, 20 Pro, Mi 8. Number 4. WT2 Language Translator supports 40 languages plus 93 accents. Simultaneous two-way translation in multiple foreign languages. WT2 Plus Translator covers 85% of the world's population. Partial list: Arabic, Bulgarian, Cantonese, Catalan, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Mandarin, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Slovak, Slovenian, Spanish, Swedish, Tamil, Telugu, Thai, Turkish, Vietnamese, Filipino, Iceland. 3 modes with app. Start using the first AI-powered translation system designed to break language barriers. Simul mode. People can talk non-stop in a quiet environment, and the translation will be played continuously. Touch mode. This mode is effective for noisy environments. Simply touch earbuds to speak speaker mode. 1 earbud plus 1 app. In this mode, only one person needs to wear an earphone. 3 modes fit for different scenarios, including traveling, language learning, business communication up to 95% accuracy and online 1.3 seconds translation. WT2 Plus Translator earbuds can achieve up to 95% ultra-high translation accuracy for daily usage in Chinese, English, Japanese, Spanish, Germany, French, and so on within good networking Wi-Fi and 4G, an ideal conversation environment. TimeKettle acquires strong external technical support from Google, Microsoft, Iflatech. It takes 1.3 seconds to complete voice recognition and translation, improving your efficiency of learning the language. Support iOS and Android with wireless Bluetooth connection. Support iOS 11 and above, Android 7 and above, Bluetooth 4.0 and above. And the earbuds are compatible with mobile phones of most major brands. Easy to connect with iOS and Android operating system in seconds through turning on Bluetooth in-app. And true wireless Bluetooth connection allows fast, stable audio transmission for up to 20 feet. Its stable connection helps it become a good choice of language learning device. WT2 Plus is a professional product for language translation. It does not support listening to music or making phone calls. WT2 Plus Voice Translator is supported by 24/7 dedicated customer support. If you have any issues or questions with your translator, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we will address your concerns within 12 hours. Number 3. TileMate. The new TileMate is our versatile finder for everyday things, ideal for individuals and families who want a cost-effective tracker for multiple items. Ring your things. Use your smartphone to make your tile ring when you misplace your things within 200 feet Bluetooth range. Find your phone. Can't find your phone? Simply double-press the tile button on your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. See it on a map. The Tile app remembers when and where you left something behind. Use community finds. If you lose your tile, you can anonymously recruit the entire Tile community to help you find it. The Tile app running on their phones. Will send location updates to your app, letting only you know where your tile mate is. Battery life. Replaceable CR1632 battery is guaranteed for 1 year from activation. You can easily replace it yourself. Versatile, no fuss way to keep track of your stuff. Now with a longer 200 feet range, it's easier than ever. Easy, add them to your favorites so everyone knows they're findable. Every day, put them on anything essential in your daily routine. Replaceable battery. Mate uses a replaceable CR1632 battery which runs for a year with no upkeep, and then it is easy to replace yourself. Use the Tile app to ring your tile if nearby, or see its location on a map if far away. Find your things, double press the button on your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. Use Community Find, connect to the world's largest lost and found community, where everyone using the app within range of your lost item can update its location. Share your tiles in the app with a family member or friend to increase your finding power. Number 2, Fossil Women's Sport. Touchscreen smartwatch. Smartwatches powered with Wear OS. By Google work with iPhone and Android phones heart rate and activity tracking using Google Fit. Built-in GPS for distance tracking. Swim-proof design. 5 ATM. Responses from Google Assistant. It's your own personal Google, always ready to help. Speed through checkout with your watch using Google Pay. This is one smartwatch. Receive smartphone notifications and app alerts, manage your calendar, control your music, download third-party apps, your favorite ride-sharing or music apps, and customize your watch face. Touchscreen functionality, built-in fitness tracker, microphone, music storage and controls, custom goal and alarm settings, calendar alerts, multiple time zones, weather, LED flashlight, wireless sensing. Extend your battery life for multiple days with new smart battery modes, magnetic USB rapid charger included. Charge up to 80% in under an hour. This ultra-lightweight 41mm sports smartwatch is up to 40% lighter than other models, with an aluminum case and silicone band. It lets you track your heart rate, track your workout, even swimming, customize your dial and more. Case size: 41mm. Band size: 18mm, interchangeable with all Fossil 18mm bands. Imported sport type running, band size. Women's standard, Google Pay, never get caught without your wallet again. Pay from your watch wherever mobile payments are accepted. Untethered GPS, leave your phone behind. Use untethered GPS to track your run's distance and play your stored music on your watch. Heart rate tracking, from running to yoga and more, this smartwatch measures heart rate automatically during a workout. Google Fit gives you smarter health coaching. With activity goals based on recommendations from the American Heart Association and the World Health Organization, move minutes and heart points. Our smartwatches use Bluetooth technology to connect to your phone. When a notification or alert arrives, a gentle buzz lets you know right away. Designed to get you through your day, our most efficient battery yet gives you 24+ hours of touchscreen use. Depending on usage, plus 2 additional days in low power mode. Your wearable is compatible with Android and iOS smartphones, specifically with Android 6.0 excluding Go Edition or iOS 10 Plus. All devices have Bluetooth 4.1 Low Energy and Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN. Number 1, Echo Show 8. This bundle includes the Echo Show 8 and an Echo Flex. Alexa can show you more with an 8 HD screen and stereo sound. Alexa can help manage your day at a glance. Be entertained. Ask Alexa to show you movie trailers, TV shows, movies, or the news. Or listen to radio stations, podcasts, and audiobooks. Connect with video calling and messaging. Call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device with a screen. Make announcements to other devices in your home. Control your smart home voice control compatible devices or manage them on the easy-to-use display. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Make any space a little smarter. The Echo Flex plug-in smart speaker lets you get help from Alexa in more places in your home. Connect with your favorite people, make hands-free video calls to the Alexa app or another Echo with a screen, use announcements to send voice messages to every room with a supported Echo device, or use drop-in as a two-way intercom between rooms. See and do more with Alexa. Echo Show 8 connects to Alexa to give you rich stereo sound with vivid visuals on an 8 HD screen. See on-screen lyrics with Amazon Music. Set alarms and timers, display your favorite photos. Check weather and traffic as you head out. Catch up on news highlights and movie trailers, entertainment for every part of your day. Catch up on today's news and sports highlights, watch TV shows, movies, music videos, or movie trailers from Prime Video, Hulu, NBC, and more. Listen to music from streaming services like Apple Music and Spotify, and see song lyrics and album art with Amazon Music. Make your life easier at home. Use your voice to set timers, add items to lists, and create calendar events and reminders. Cook along with step-by-step recipes. You can also check the news, weather, or traffic. Ask for sports scores, movie showtimes, restaurant hours, or information.